Here's how to block unknown callers on your iPhone. Now, first head into the settings on your iPhone. In iOS 26, there are some new cool options to be able to block all those unknown or spam callers. To be able to access it, we need to get to your phone settings. So let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to this section for phone and tap on that. Now, within the phone, there are several different options. We can choose to ask people why they're calling us, or we can just block those unknown callers. And we can also choose to filter them. I'll show you those options. Let's scroll down here and you'll be able to see it says screen unknown callers. If you have it set to never, it'll just ring normally as if it was anyone else. As I said before, you can choose to ask reason for calling. This will prompt them after it rings once, why are you calling this person? And then they can respond and you can choose to pick up. Or if you just wanted to block those or silence those unknown callers, you can tap on silence. After you've done that, I would also recommend under call filtering, it says unknown callers. If this is toggled off, just toggle this on and keep in mind by doing so, it won't clutter up your entire phone's list. It'll essentially put it in a different location. I'll show you where to find it. Let's open up the phone app here. And here you can see all of my recent incoming and outgoing calls. To be able to find all of those blocked or silenced unknown callers, we'll tap on the filter icon at the top right and then go to unknown callers. And here you can see political call, spam risk, political call, spam risk, etc. People essentially that I don't want to accept and I don't want to see or hear their call when it rings to my iPhone.